Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by Money Stocks. Today is Friday, February 23rd, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at this market, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading up by 7 3/4 points. Right now, the futures are sitting at 27.19 1/4 per contract. So all in all, it's been a rocky road here. You can see right in the morning, around 1 o'clock in the morning, futures were at the highs. Then they've really chopped around, and that's what we've seen today so far. Very choppy and sloppy roller coaster type activity in the S&P futures. We'll see what it gives us. We'll see if traders want to hold long into the weekend. This market has come under some good pressure this week, especially in the second half of the trading day. We'll see what today gives us. But in the meantime, we still have lots of stocks in the news, so let's get started there. We're going to start the morning off with Blue Buffalo. BUFF is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading sharply higher. It's trading right at just underneath the $40 share level. It looks like it is being bought out by General Mills. So General Mills taking or acquiring Blue Buffalo for, I believe it's $40 a share, but you can check that out. If you own Blue Buffalo, trail your stop loss. If you don't own Blue Buffalo, leave it alone at this stage of the game. There's really nothing to do. As for General Mills here, you'll see the stock is trading lower, closed at $54.94. Right now, trading at $52.73. I think it'll probably hover around this $52 area. I don't really see it going much below there right now. Anytime a company acquires another business, they usually will, the stock price will usually decline a little bit, and I think that's what we're seeing here for General Mills. Next up, we want to take a look at GoDaddy. GDDY is the ticker symbol. Looks like the stock is flying high this morning. New all-time high for GoDaddy. Closed at $55.43. Now trading at $57.99. Good little pop there. Stock still has some room to run. Possibly to 60, 61 bucks. I think that's where you put in a little bit of a short-term high, or at least that's where it gets extended, where it really shouldn't go much further. So again, if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, leave it alone up here. Let's take a look at HPE, which is Hewlett Packard Enterprise. Stock right now is trading at $18.27. Closed at $16.41. This is on the back of earnings. Right now, when I look at this name, it's a great move today. I'm not sure there's a lot more upside here, though. You could see here in the after hours yesterday, stock did briefly go above 1950, so that's your natural resistance point at the moment. But even at this level, I'm not sure it has a whole lot more to it. So if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, leave it alone at this stage of the game. Let's take a look at Wingstop. Ticker symbol is WING. The stock right now is trading at $42.51. Closed at $46.78. I don't see much to do here. There's a lot of support around this general area, maybe 42 1/4. But I do like the $40 area if it gets there. Pierce of 40, that will take you to a daily chart, 100 period moving average. There's a lot there. So we're going to be watching that in the intraday stock chat room today if it gets there. Watch Wingstop right around 40 bucks or Pierce of 40. That level looks decent to me right now, at least for a quick day trade. Next up, let's take a look at Redfin. RDFN is the ticker symbol here, and stock right now after earnings is trading at $20.11. Closed yesterday at $21.57. This is kind of a new issue. It's only been around, I guess, since July of 2017. There's not a whole lot I would do here. There's a lot of support in this $20 range right now, but if you lose that, there's really nothing in this equity until you get down a little bit further. So again, I think traders right now will sit tight. We'll sit tight with this one. We'll look at it intraday, see if it gives us a pattern, but there's nothing I'm looking to do right off the bat here. Let's take a look at Zoe's Kitchen, ZOES. Stock right now is trading at $13 a share, closed at $14.27. I don't see a play here. There is a little bit of support at 13. I don't think it's good enough for a trade, though. So we'll look at that one once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at Mercado Libre, MELI. This stock is trading at $357.79, closed at $369.50. This is a light volume name, meaning it rarely trades a million shares a day, so that you do get big price swings. If by some chance this gets down to $327, that is where I like it there. Until then, I really would not do much with it. But I do, once again, like that $327 level if it did trade down there. This is a stock that's light volume. The moves are very dramatic, and it can get to that level. Let's take a look at Planet Fitness, PLNT is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at 35.70. It closed at 32.79, so there's a good little uptick. I think you're probably a bit extended now on the daily chart. So, it still has some room to run, but I don't know if it goes much higher today. So, again, good move. If you own Planet Fitness, trail the stop loss immediately. If you don't own it, I would not be chasing it up here at these levels. Let's take a look at FSLR, which is First Solar. They reported earnings as well. Stock closed at 66.28. It's trading at 65.31. There's not a lot to do there. Again, we'll look at this one when the opening bell rings. I do have a few levels for it, but again, we're not there. We're very close to where it closed yesterday, so we have to move a little bit either up or down. Then I'll give those levels to the intraday stock chat room. Let's take a look here at Herbalife. HLF is the ticker symbol here. Stock closed at 83.13. Now trading at 80 bucks. Did briefly go down to $76, so there is a chance that we can go down there. I'll have a level for Herbalife today in the intraday stock chat room that I think we can play if it does come back down. So there we have it. Let's switch gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold right now trading down 1 point to 13.31. Crude oil down 13 cents to 62.64 a barrel. So all in all, gold and oil are just basically flat on the day. So I'm not going to make too much out of this one right now. We'll look at it. We'll let the market tell us a little bit more, and we'll see how to play it once the opening bell rings. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading day. If you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We're having a great 2018. We're going to look to keep that going right into the end of the month, into the end of the year. 2018 is filled with volatility. That means we get lots and lots of action. Lots of action yesterday. We're going to get a lot more today. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading day, and we'll see you on the charts.